This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Top Auto Ancillary Stocks to buy now. Gabriel India Limited's results were broadly in line with analysts' estimate, with revenue, EBITDA and PAT growing at 13% YoY, 7.2% YoY and 4.5% YoY respectively. EV remains the key growth driver for Gabriel as its key clients are geared up to EV product development and new product launches. Gabriel's earnings are set to post a 52.9% CAGR over FY 2021 to FY 2023, driven by a 17.3% CAGR in revenue and a 250 basis points rise in EBITDA margin. Automotive Axles Limited, established in 1981, is the largest independent manufacturer of rear axle drive assemblies in India. As of FY 20, rear drive axles comprise 60% of its top line, with brakes share at 20% and other parts comprising the rest. It counts all major OEMs as its clients in CV domain, with prominent names being Ashok Leyland and M&M among others. Balakrishna Industries is a leader in the niche type segment used in heavy machinery for mining and agriculture purposes. Exports from a lion's share of its sales at 80% of its revenues. Channel mix is replacement market accounts for 70%, while OEM share is pegged at 26%. The company has constantly posted more than 20% margins. Motherson Sumi Limited primarily serves global PV industry with wiring harness, vision systems and plastic body parts as key product line. The company has a history of successful turnarounds in acquisitions and inorganic led growth. Share, give a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel